with no sugar if you don't want to make it yourself, for like yogurt. Because, for example, you can get a carrot juice very easily. There's a place over here that does juices. If you're out and about and you need to eat something, and obviously you can't be making a soup in the middle of the day or a shake, I've learned to look for juice places. And you can have a vegetable juice. Try not to make it all fruits because you're gonna be eating a lot of fruits anyway. I love this place because they have real homemade soups and they are frozen, so you can just have them. Okay, so we have picked up a couple of basics. I didn't get any vegetables because I have vegetables at home. I actually made a courgette soup yesterday night, so I'm gonna have that for lunch. Another thing that I really like to do is banana. I just did this banana, literally, you just make it hot and then you blend it up with a fork, and then I'm gonna put this kefir, ecological kefir, over the top, and it tastes like cake. The banana, it just gets so caramelized when you just heat it up in a pan without any oil, nothing, so it's super healthy. In the pan, a little bit of peach. The peach takes slightly longer to be made than the banana, so you basically just need to heat it up. And then you can make it soft, and then you can pour it with the banana, and you have an amazing blend. This kefir is quite liquidy. I put quite a lot on, because this is really healthy. So the peach, the problem is it has a lot more water, so it gets kind of weird in the pan. I guess it's like jam. And you know what? The only reason why you would put sugar in jam is to keep it. Because to be honest, it tastes the same just grilling it without the sugar. It tastes just as sweet. And there you have it. A beautiful dessert. I ended up putting some cinnamon over it as well. Full disclosure, I've been snacking on this cream cheese, and to be honest, I've eaten about half just with a spoon, but it's really good. It's really not that bad, this stuff, because if you look at the ingredients and the calories, in half a pot it has less than 270, so I can afford to do that since I'm only eating vegetables in soup other than this. And of course wine, lots of wine. I'm just joking. I'm preparing a sweet potato soup. This is one of the ones that I buy frozen, so I literally just put it in the pan and on low heat. I warm it up and then it's ready, and these are homemade. They make them in this little deli near my house. So if you can find something like this, obviously it's extremely helpful for this kind of diet. So that's gonna be my dinner, and I'll probably finish the cheese, and I'll probably have some sort of yogurt or flan. Maybe I'll have another kefir, maybe I'll have another shake with banana smoothie. So I finished the soup and I'm actually not full, so I'm gonna have some gazpacho also. I forgot to show you earlier, I had one of these. They're called Petit Malin, and it's all natural ingredients. So they're like Petit Suisse, but with natural ingredients, and it's cheese, basically fresh. How do you say this in English? It's queso fresco in Spanish. I'm making a hot cocoa. I put a little bit of oat milk, and then I'm gonna put the rest water. And this is with this raw cacao, just 2 teaspoons of the raw cacao, some coconut sugar, which I have here, just coconut sugar. And that's it. If you want, I already put it away, but if you need to have some extra fiber, which I do, I'm putting a little bit of inulin powder in these. You can put it in the tea, or I usually do it in the hot cocoa. So here's my hot cocoa. I'm gonna have it with me while I edit. This should be the last thing that I eat today, but who knows? Who knows for sure?